We're honored here today to work with Helmets to Hard Hats, as we have been for many years. It's an opportunity to connect our veterans, not simply to jobs, but to careers. This program was the brainchild of a Massachusetts resident, Ed Sullivan, and he said, we need to do something. We're seeing our veterans coming back to low-wage jobs, or no jobs. We need to provide opportunities for our servicemen and women when they come out and take care of them like they've taken care of us.
I think the Helmets to Hard Hats program is a great resource for the young men and women coming out of the military today, and a great resource for the building trades to gain qualified, disciplined people with a proven work ethic.
We saw an opportunity for these returning servicemen and women to return home to a job and have a quick re-entry back into civilian life. We also saw the need within the construction industry for men and women with prior training that exhibited discipline, leadership, and the ability to work in a team environment. It was a win-win for both parties, and it continues to be a win-win over the years.
In Massachusetts alone, we've placed over 838 veterans. And that's real jobs, real careers, life-changing events for a lot of our members and a lot of our veterans.
It's been great, and the only way it continues if we continue to care. And I know that we'll continue to care because every time I come up here, I see more and more people willing to help. I see more and more people wanting to make sure our veterans are taken care of, that our trades are getting quality people, that our contractors are getting quality apprentices and journeyman people. You serve your country, you should have the ability to find a good career. You should have the ability to be able to feed your family with honor and dignity. You should be able to retire with your head held high and be able to do what you want to do with your life.
You folks have protected us with your service. You flourished in the military. You flourished protecting us, and now you're going to flourish on the home front. Thanks to the building trades and this wonderful program that has benefited many of my constituents over the years.